Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use auto clicker on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So using an auto clicker on iPhone can be a bit tricky because iOS doesn't natively support auto clicking apps due to strict guidelines on accessibility and automation. So to simply use an auto clicker on iPhone, all you can do is simply enable AssistiveTouch. Simply tap on your settings, go to your accessibilities and turn it on. Or you can simply use the switches option to customize your gestures. Once you have customized the gestures, this will repeat the action you recorded, stimulating a series of clicks. Or you can even create custom gestures to stimulate clicks by tapping on the new recipe sign, that is by assigning a switch to particular apps and gestures. Or a secondary method is to use a third-party app, like you can download a third-party auto clicker and use that. Or you can even use CV shortcuts, like this is limited functionality, but Siri shortcuts can automate some repetitive tasks, but they don't have built-in stimulation. However, you can simply use shortcuts to perform some automated tasks like opening apps or performing gestures. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.